Golden Phoenix Manila Hotel. Oh. Uy. Escalator gitu eh. Ano man? 20.
2027 man eh.
17 kanina, siguro dito.
Okay. Alright. Okay man. So muna yung room with 2 single bed. Muna yung bed. Aircon. And night view. Have to check kung na may view. Wala siya view. Parking lot view. Okay. Okay lang. There. Golden Phoenix Hotel Manila. Okay man. Dako yung room. Dako ka single bed. There. Ay, TV.
Airport terminals, entertainment centers, and down to the country's premier event and exhibition zone. We're aiming a business meeting, a staycation.
Alright, then have to check ang ref. Okay, so good. Oops. Hindi na nibayad. Bar. Then closet. May bathrobes. May pancha. Safety deposit. Let me check ang CR. Okay. King's throne, then shower. Our shower head. So delicate ako ang CR, but there. A sink, lavatory, and that's it. Mula lang ito ang CR. There again. May towels, shower to the right, and then King's throne there, and the lavatory. So, mula na itong video for today. We just checked the Manila standard room deluxe, then with two single beds. Kita naman ninyo, I think okay lang yung price because doon lang siya if na may mga events sa SMX or sa arena. And sa MOA Mall, it's very near. It's just walking distance. So ayos kay ang location. And yung price, relatively one of the ubos na prices nga akong na book here in the MOA area. Doon na siya sa Conrad, but mahal ang Conrad. And kitang Wyndham, okay po ang price. And kani, okay po ang price ani. So thumbs up so far. Muna to ng video. We just had a room tour in this hotel, Manila, Golden Phoenix, Manila. So yeah, tangi pa itong mga upcoming videos. My name is PJ. So mga wala pa ka-subscribe, hit subscribe, and of course hit the like button. And I'll see you again next time. Hey, babe.